delicious surprise. It's a very special cake. I want you kiddies to have the first piece.
All I do is dream of you the whole night through. With the dawn, I still go on dreaming of you. You're every thought, you're everything, you're every song I ever sing. Summer, winter, autumn, and spring.
What's the matter?
That's what that Kathy Selden said to me that night.
That's 3 weeks ago. You still thinking about that?
Well, I can't get her out of my mind.
How could you? She's the first dame who hasn't fallen for your line since you were 4.
I guess she's on my conscience.
Well, it's not your fault she lost her job at the Grove.
Anyway, I've got to find her.
Well, you've been trying to, haven't you? Short of sending out bloodhounds and a posse?
I suppose so.
Come on now, snap out of it. You can't let a little thing like this get you down.
Oh, girl, you're a lovely, big, beautiful girl. Let me call a preacher, what can I do but give my heart to you?
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. Moses, he knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
But Moses, he knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
A Mose is a Mose.
A rose is a rose.
A toes is a toes.
Hoop-de-doody-doodle. Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. For Moses, he knows his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
What a lovely morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We've talked the whole night through.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning
To you.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain.
Ten příběh, který uvidíte a co tak divně začíná, ten mohlo prožít vaše dítě, ať chce či nechce rodina.
Promiň, Hanko. Promiň! Já tě miluju.
To je něco jiného. Povídej. A byli spolu jako bratr a sestra.
Hoď se oku aspoň trochu doka, taká tvář a elegance nedbá.
Tupíruj si, dítko, vlasy bez ohledu na počasí. Tupíruj se, neznej bratra, vyšel účes na
I své mužné rámě jeden každý jedné dámě a uveď jim mužné jezek, tu slavnostní polonéze, tu slavnostní polonéze. se zas a znova, bossa nova, bossa nova.
Modlitbičkou dojdeš vždycky nejdál a dosáhneš s ní všecko, co jsi kdy chtěl. Ač Karel IV. Byl ukrutný feudál, tak zaved u nás víno a ne chmel.
Bossa nova, bossa.
Já jsem tak šťastná. Víte, že jsem se skoro bála sem jet? Můžeš mi věřit, Filipe, že jsem na dnešek vůbec nespala.
Ať je vám to, či není milé, že se to všecko mohlo stát. Bylo by velmi pošetilé pro život hledat jízdní řád.